Hey, you wonderful people, this is your girl Inga here, and I'm back with another video for you guys. I know it's been like a couple of weeks, but forgive me. And today I'm just bringing you something so exciting and so new, and it's kind of refreshing. So sit back, relax, and just enjoy this video. So before we get into that, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, like these videos, and share. And I also would like for you guys to go to my Instagram page and just follow me on both of my platforms there. These are the links above. I will have them listed also in the description box below. So yeah, you guys can just go and support me there. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you. So what is bubble tea or boba tea? Okay, this is tapioca balls right here, and it is extracted from cassava. I don't know if you're aware of that. They call it cassava mainly in the Caribbean. In the Spanish-speaking Caribbean islands, they call it yuca. It's like more of a potato family, I should say, but it's a really starchy vegetable, I would call it. And what they do is they extract from the root of the cassava plant and they make pearls out of them. And what they do with the pearls is they darken them. I don't know if they use a food coloring dye or whatever, but that's where you get the dark or the black tapioca pearls from. Being in the lip gloss business, cosmetic industry, we have adapted like things, drinks, whether it be cold or hot, the flavorings and so forth into our lip gloss businesses, especially, and they are very popular and they have become great sellers in our businesses. So moving forward, let's just go ahead and get into this filling of the lip gloss, and let me show you guys how I do it. Okay, so for the sake of time, I went ahead and I mixed up this batch already. As you can see, it's nice and creamy and smooth. And you do know all of the oils that I use, all of the ingredients that I put in this, and I will have a video linked above so you guys can go and check that out if you do not know, or if this is your first time watching this channel. So yeah, these are some tubes that I just got, and I am in love with these tubes. I did not know that they would be this fat and thick. I am telling you guys, this is a whole bunch of lip gloss that will be going on in here. And this is the wand for it, the big thick wand. And yeah, as you can see, these are huge size. So yeah, if you guys are interested in where I got these from and want to purchase any, then you can let me know in the comments below. So I already washed these up already, and what you can do is make sure that these are dried before you go ahead and place your gloss in them. Okay, so right here, like I said, the mixture is done already, and we are going to do a bubble tea. Yeah, have you heard about all of the excitement, all of the rave about the bubble tea that's going on? So this is it, and this is a more like a vanilla buttery scotch flavor or scent. It smells absolutely amazing. So what I have here is some glass beads that I will be using for the bobas or the tapioca balls. I said that right. I'm just going to be using these for that. You can get these, you can get some round beads or anything like that at, I think, Walmart or at any fabric store or whatever like that. That's where you can get some of these beads. So I have two types that I'm going to be using. And for the crystal boba, I don't know if you can see, but these are miniature ice cubes right there. Okay. So I'm gonna be putting the beads into the 6.5 ml big one tubes, as you can see right there. And remember, guys, these beads are not edible. I've seen a few people talk about how some of the customers have been asking if they are edible. Like, come on, they are not edible, okay? So they are just there for imitating the actual product, and some people would say for decor purposes. Yeah, so they're not edible. Yeah, so I'm gonna pour some into the wine tubes. I think yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit first. So let's go with the syringe. And remember, guys, to just pull it up at a certain point so that your stopper will be able to close properly. So this is the actual finished product of the boba tea gloss. So as you can see, it's like exactly identical to the actual tea that you see in the picture above. Yeah, so you guys can go and shop these glosses at my website. You do know that I will have everything listed in the description box below. So let me just put a plug in here for myself. All of my glosses are very hydrating, moisture rich. They are soft on the lips. I call them your lips best friends. They are creamy. They are filled with natural products like carrier oils and so on. My products are cruelty free. The eyeshadows that I have, also everything is cruelty free, and also my gloss base is a vegan gloss base, so you can't go wrong with any of these products. So I would appreciate you if you guys would just go hop on over to my Shopify and do some shopping there. And also I have my Etsy shop that you guys are pretty aware of, and if you're new here, I also have an Etsy shop. So like I said earlier, everything will be listed in the description box below, so you guys can go and check them out. Thanks. And another thing I forgot to mention to you guys, I have these amazing, these cute, gorgeous keychains. This is a free gift with any lip gloss purchase. Look at that. It's the double C. It's Chanel inspired. So you guys can go, when you shop, you will get one of these keychains, and they will be limited. Okay, they are there while supplies last. So just be the first to just go and check them out and just pick yourself up some products, and then you'll get a keychain free. So we have come to the end of this video, and I appreciate you guys for just supporting me with this channel and being so awesome and watching all to the end. And just remember, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like these videos, turn on the notification, and most of all, like the videos, so because that's what gets them out there. When YouTube see you liking these so much, it gets them out there, and the channel is growing. So I'm much appreciative of what's going on with the channel. But I will see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I will be posting more often. I know I've been saying this for some time now, but every time you say that, it's a challenge. So yeah, I will be posting more often, and I definitely will be seeing you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, and hey guys, one more thing. Just enjoy a few little clippings of the cosmetics and the items that I have at the shop. Okay.